are next.
It's okay.
More to the back, please.
You just gotta breathe. Just keep breathing. I'm right here.
Round about, deep and crisp and even.
Why does he allow us to suffer?
He tasked us.
Can you please try a little harder?
What?
You're gonna have to be more convincing than that.
He tasked us.
We've gone this far. Can you please commit?
He tasked us.
It wasn't so hard, was it?
Mary? Albert, where is she? Mary?
He...
I like it.
Caleb.
It's Marcus. And Sue from now on.
No.
We'll get through this.
We wear the armor of the Mithras in the light. We are shielded from all that is harmful. This must be it. Show yourselves! We wear the armor of Mithras and the light. We are shielded. What?
They have a kid that says he'll be returned to us at the boarding area.
Digital passkeys 34, 35, 36.
We have a son.